Did you know that you can neatly make fufu from the comfort of your kitchen? Most people believe that making of fufu is a difficult process, but in this video I'm going to show you all step by step detailed process of how you can make fufu at ease in your kitchen. Okay, so you want to relax and enjoy watching this video to the very end. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate you, my new viewers and my return subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So my darlings, I'm sure you can see this. This is called cassava. Okay, now from the title of the video and from the thumbnail, of course, you already know that today's video is about how to make fufu from cassava. Now this is what cassava, and let me show you guys what fufu looks like. This is fufu. Fufu is swallow. How else should I explain it? Fufu is swallow, okay? It is served with any type of Nigerian soup. Let's say egusi soup, banga soup. Okay, the Deltas eat banga soup with starch, but I mean for those who are not Deltans, they can use fufu to eat banga soup, okay? So you can also use this fufu to eat ofe olugbo. In fact, any Nigerian soup at all goes with fufu. Okay, so fufu is processed from cassava. This is cassava, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to process fufu from my kitchen. So I'm going to quickly share short clips with you guys of how cassava is being harvested from the farm. This cassava you see here was harvested by my younger sister on my request. I'm just going to show you guys quickly clips of how this cassava was harvested from the farm so that you guys will appreciate this process more, okay? As a River State indigene who was born and raised here in River State, Port Harcourt of Nigeria, I grew up always going to the farm with my mother, and we enjoyed eating food that we grew with our own hands. And I'm referring to foods like yams, plantain, cassava, vegetables, but today we are talking about what? Cassava. So here is our cassava farm, which I sent my sister to help me harvest cassava since she was coming to my house over the weekend. And this is how cassava is being harvested from the farm. You guys, I have several farm videos dedicated to just farm, okay? I'll link those videos in the description box in case you would like to see my other farm videos and the food that I produce with my own hands. You want to watch those videos, you would definitely love them. Now moving forward, this is what cassava tuber looks like. Cassava is a root crop. Welcome back from the clip you just saw. So my darlings, let's start peeling this cassava. Yes, the process is we'll peel the cassava first, wash it and soak it to ferment. Now one of the reasons why I love fufu or akamu is because of the fermentation process. You guys know that once a food is being fermented, it helps with prebiotics or probiotics, okay? So yeah, which is good for our gut. So that's one of the major reasons why I actually love eating fufu, because of the process of making it, which is the fermentation process. It's very good, very healthy. So my darlings, don't talk too much, let's start processing. I'm going to start by peeling this cassava, and then after peeling the cassava, I'll wash them all and soak in this bucket for 3 days, just like the way I process akamu. Not much difference, okay? For those of you who haven't seen my akamu video, I will link it in the description box. I mean video on how I process akamu, okay? I will link it in the description box so that you can watch it. It's a very interesting one, how to process akamu for babies, healthy food that help your baby add weight, how to process akamu for lactation, for nursing mothers, and of course how to process general akamu for the whole family. I have like about 4 how to process akamu videos, different type of akamu. Please check them out. I'll link them all in the description box. And of course, I'm also going to be making tapioca out of this cassava, and it's going to be on a different video. So you want to watch how to make tapioca, okay, from my channel. Now, tapioca is an African snack. Let me personalize it. It's a Nigerian snack that is being the tapioca is snacked alongside with granite. More details will be on the tapioca video, so please also check that video out. So you guys, this is basically how you make fufu from scratch using cassava. First off, you want to peel the cassava. Please notice the pattern in which I'm using to peel this cassava, because there are different ways you peel cassava depending on what you want to make out of the cassava. But today we are making fufu, so I peeled it in a circular motion. So after peeling the cassava, I washed it thoroughly and soaked it for 3 days. Now, unlike akamu, I change water every day when processing akamu, but for fufu, I didn't change the water every day. I waited till the 3rd day before I poured out the water, okay? So guys, as you can see, I blended the cassava to get a smooth paste, and after blending, I transferred into this bag. Now this is the type of bag that you can also use for akamu, and you can also choose to use gari bag. In fact, gari bag is preferably, okay? So I had to use this bag since that's what I had available, to drain the remaining water. And after the water has been drained completely, later on that same day, later on in the night thereabout, I started sieving the cassava paste. Now my darlings, please note this: not everyone sieves cassava paste. Now the reason why we sieve cassava paste is because of this word chaff. Have you ever noticed when you buy fufu from the market, some persons, their fufu is always so hard? It is because they didn't process it this way that I'm sharing with you guys. Not everybody knows that, or rather not everybody wants to go through this whole process of sieving the cassava paste to take off this chaff. Can you guys see how smooth this fufu is turning out? Can you see how smooth and lumpless it is turning out? The way we process fufu, the way that I learned how to process fufu, is as good as the way people who pound fufu, they have the same result. That is the way I am processing this fufu, and the way people process fufu in the village by pounding it, you will get the same smooth fufu result. But if you want your fufu to be very thick even after sieving it, then please do not mix it with water, okay? The first batch that I made, I mixed it with water, reason why it turned out so soft. But as you can see, the texture of the first batch I made and the texture of this second batch that I did not mix water after sieving is obviously different. So I'm just going to allow this to cool off now, and then I'll start tying in the cellophane. See? Bring your plate there. Ooh, I think I like this more anyway. I like this one more. So if you want to eat your fufu ASAP, then don't mix it after sieving, so that you get this thick paste, okay, to eat ASAP. But if you don't want to eat it ASAP, the good thing about the first batch is, even when it cools off, you're still going to get that soft textured fufu. But this one, when it cools off, it's going to get hard, and you have to massage with cold water back, to get it back to the soft textured fufu. Ooh, so I'm done.
Purchase your tracks today.
So you guys, this is how I serve fufu. As you can see, I brought it out from a pot, right? So what I do basically is I heat up water, hot water, and then put the fufu in the hot water and let it get hot. Then I massage it back to that soft textured fufu. See how smooth and lumpless the fufu looks. Like I mentioned earlier, my darlings, you can serve fufu with any Nigerian soup of your choice. It go well. My darlings, thank you so much for watching this video. Should in case you would like to see videos of my cooking, please check the description box. I will link the videos there. For now, bye bye.